Millstone at Parkside is one of our newest communities located in Bucks County. 30 home sites in the community, and all of those are just under a half an acre. This is Upper Bucks, located in Quakertown. It's very close to the Turnpike, state parks, Lake Nakamixon, a lot of open space that your kids can go and play in. You can go kick a football, you can hold a family picnic, things like that. But more so, there's going to be a walking trail that takes you over to Unami Creek Park. It's really an amazing feature with this community. Millstone at Parkside features all of our most popular floor plans, from the Laughlin to the Parker to the Hawthorne. But let's not forget our biggest plan, the Devonshire, which is one of our most popular right now. The model that we're featuring at Millstone at Parkside is the Covington Farmhouse. That is 3,405 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath standard. The Covington Farmhouse features a grand kitchen with a massive island. Off of the kitchen is the family room, a big open space where you can be together with your family, your friends, and do a lot of great entertaining. The owner's suite of the Covington is located on the 2nd floor. We are featuring the Serenity Bath, which gives you a private standalone tub and beautiful open windows. And more importantly, that glass shower that everybody seems to be looking for these days. It is amazing, breathtaking. If you're looking for that country setting, but still having access to shopping, entertainment, restaurants, Millstone at Parkside is the place for you. Millstone at Parkside, you're gonna love living here.